Hello, today I'm going to show you how to submit an AIM Centre recognition application. The first thing you need to do is type this URL into your browser. This will give you access to the first stage of the application. So you will need to fill in the fields here, which are all required, and you will also need to put in your details if you will be the one continuing with the next stage of the centre recognition application, and then submit application. This information will then come through to us and we will set up your organisation on our organisation management system, MIA, and we will also set up an account for the super user requested. You will then receive an email from Creatio with your login details within 2 working days. Please ensure that you check your junk for these, as this email may go into there. When you log in for the first time, the system will ask you to change your password to something more memorable. Once you have done this, you will be taken to the MIA homepage. As you can see, there are a list of forms on the right hand side underneath where it says Start of New, and you will need to click Application for AIM Centre Recognition. Please ensure that you read all of this before clicking Create Form. You will then need to complete all of the questions in the application section and click Save Changes. So I'm just going to do this quickly. After you have done this, you will need to click into the Policies and Procedures section. As you can see, you must provide all of the documentation listed here. So if we click Work on this section, you can then attach documents. You can drag them from your desktop to here, or you can just click and all of your documents will come up. So if I just upload one now, you will then need to tick these boxes to confirm that you have uploaded all of the required documentation. If any of these are missed, we will have to return the application to you, because all of these are required for a centre to gain AIM Centre recognition. Lastly, you will need to complete the centre agreement section. Before completing this section, please ensure that you have read our AIM Centre agreement and customer code of conduct. As you can see in the form, these can be found in the Documents tab on MIA. So I can just show you that now. If we just click Search, they will come up here and here. And then we can go back to the application and continue. Once you have read both documents, you will need to click to confirm that you have done this, and then you can move on to the next question. This requires you to add key staff members as users on MIA. So you can do this by clicking the MIA Users tab. And then clicking Add MIA Users. You will then be asked to choose your user type. General users and senior managers are able to upload documents, see users, sites, staff and organisation details, whereas super users can create users, sites and staff, link staff and sites, update organisation details and upload documents. I'm going to create a super user for the purpose of this. So the fields that you will need to fill in are first name, last name, email address, and you'll also need to click to confirm that you are happy with the data policy. You will then need to decide what access you would like each user to have, what forms you would like them to be able to edit, view and create. I'm just going to put select all in this instance. You can also set up notifications for each user. However, this is not necessary, as if they are assigned to any forms at all, they will receive notifications anyway. So then we can click Save Changes and repeat the process for all of the key staff listed in the form, and then go back to the form once we have done this and click to confirm. You'll also need to click to confirm that you will update the staff tab with any changes of key members of staff. Once you have completed all 3 sections, you can then click Submit Application to AIM and we will review your application. Once your application has been reviewed, if we have any questions or need any additional information, we will put a public comment in the application section of the form. As you can see here, the latest stage says information requested, so you can see that something is required from you. So it will show like this as an unread comment, and you'll then be able to go into the public comment and see what is required, and it might possibly be a message that looks like this. So once you have received this, for example, this says that a conflict of interest policy and procedure is missing, you can go back into the form and amend anything, and you could attach that here. Click Save Changes and then provide additional information, and this will send the form back to AIM again. Once we have made a decision on your application, you will receive an email notifying you of this, and you will be able to look at our decision and feedback. There will be a link to the form in the email which you can click on, or alternatively you can just search the form number if you have that to hand. As you can see here, we can go in the AIM decision and see what the decision has been and the reasons for that decision. I hope this video guide has been helpful, and if you do have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact AIM either by email at inquiries@aim-group.org.uk or telephone 01332 341822. Thank you.